Are you looking for make money online? Here is the aviso.bz website. It is German website and real way to work and earn money. Here is to real online work. You will earn lots of money. Here is the most payout details are available. Watching ads for money has become more accessible with the rise of various online platforms and websites. These platforms connect advertisers with individuals to view their advertisements. While the specific details may vary depending on the platform. Get start registered yourself here. You can follow as step by step to fill the form. Fill out the registration forms on these websites to create your account and get started. After creating your account, you can log into the platform and explore the available options for watching ads. These platforms often have a section dedicated to paid advertisements. You'll find a list of ads that you can watch to earn money. Here's a general overview of how you can make money by watching ads. Each ad typically has a specified duration, which can range from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. To start earning, you select an ad from the list and click on it. The ad will then play, and you need to watch it attentively until it reaches the end. You to interact with the ad by clicking on it or completing a short task after watching. Make sure to follow the instructions provided by the platform to ensure you receive credit for viewing the ad. The amount of money you earn per ad view varies depending on the platform and the specific ad. Advertisers pay the platform to have their ads displayed, and a portion of that payment is shared with users who watch the ads. Earnings per ad view are generally modest, ranging from a few cents to $1 or $2. However, it's important to note that the exact earnings can depend on various factors, including the length and type of the ad. In addition to watching ads, some platforms offer additional ways to earn money. These can include completing surveys, participating in offers or trials, playing games, or referring friends to join the platform. These additional tasks usually pay higher amounts compared to ad views but may require more time and effort on your part. Here is the task for watching YouTube videos. 20 seconds and 15 seconds watch video. More task is available here to make more money. While watching ads for money can be a legitimate way to earn income online, it's crucial to approach it with realistic expectations. The earnings from watching ads alone may not be substantial, and it may take time to accumulate a significant amount. It's important to be aware that most platforms have a minimum payout threshold. This is the minimum amount of earnings you need to accumulate before you can request a payout. Payout thresholds can vary, with some platforms having lower thresholds, such as $5 or $10, while others may have higher thresholds, such as $25 or $50. Make sure to review the platform's payout terms and conditions to understand when and how you can receive your earnings. It's crucial to research and read reviews about these platforms to ensure they have a good reputation and pay their members promptly. Watching ads for money has become more accessible with the rise of various online platforms and websites. These platforms connect advertisers with individuals willing to view their advertisements. While the specific details depending on the platform